Sorry about that, got disconnected. It's the problem with YouTube. I'm not sure exactly what's going on here, but nonetheless, there is some technical difficulties here, and I apologize. So I'm on the phone right now, trying to make this thing happen, but it may cut out again. I'm having trouble logging into my account on my desktop. But the market prices right now are let's see, there's gold is opening up at a pretty big pace. It's 1305.90 right now, and silver's at 1466. Platinum is down $3, and palladium is taking a pretty big hit out of the starting gate at 1335. So can you guys hear me? I'm seeing some of your comments come through, but I can't log into my YouTube account to be able to see comments or anything like that to do what I normally do. So I'm trying to get this from my phone. So I can see some of your comments here. It seems like some people, David can see me. David, Silverstack and Capybara can see me. Chris Garner's here. So hopefully you guys can hear me okay. Somebody said something about a volume check, but I'm hoping it's working here. But I don't know what's going on. I can't log onto my... Anybody else having trouble with YouTube? Those of you who are creators, can you log into your YouTube channels? I'm trying it from two different browsers. I can't get anything to come on here, so I'm not sure what's going on here. Trying to log out and re-log in, but I don't know what's going on here. Grog can hear me. Thanks for the 99-cent super chat. I did see that. Thank you, sir, my friend. Appreciate that very much. So I'm coming to you live on my phone. Silverstack and Capybara can hear me here, so Juan Ortiz is having trouble too, so I think it's something system-wide with YouTube. Not sure what's going on there, but anyways, but I appreciate you guys. Greg, thanks again for that super chat. I appreciate it. YouTube, I think, is down for creators. I try to go on to the to my account, and it's not letting me through, so I'm not sure exactly what's going on here with it, but I'm trying to get here on my phone, which has kind of a limited battery life here, so I'm hoping you guys can at least see at least something here on the phone here. Very good. I think it's YouTube, says Vcoins and Vada. YouTube is having lots of issues, says the Stacking Nerd. Very good. So it's not just me. That's good. It's too bad. Hopefully we'll fix it soon. But we'll try the best we can. I appreciate you guys being here. Hope everybody has had a good weekend so far. And Juan Ortiz says it's on my computer and the phone. I've had a little trouble on my phone as well, too. So, yeah, it's been kind of crazy. But anyways, so that's kind of where the market is out of the starting gate. We're going to kind of look at the market here since I can't do a comment review. Now, out of the starting gate, I'm not sure. Sometimes I wonder how this thing occurs here. Let's take a look down here in the Asian markets here. Actually, you know what? The New York markets haven't opened yet. Gold is at 1307.20. Silver's at $14.67. Platinum is at $7.97. Palladium is down $1.1334 as of right now. So that's kind of where we stand with the metals at the moment. And so yeah, let's see here. And so I'll kind of just interact with you guys here in the chat. Daniel, bummer about YouTube being jacked up today, but I'm kind of glad to hear it. Okay, let's see here. I unfortunately, I'm kind of limited in what I can see in the comments here. Alan Gold hacked me. Yeah, possibly so. Alan Gold probably hacked me. That's probably what's going on here. Wouldn't surprise me. I'm restarting YouTube a couple times, but I can hear. Okay, very good. Seduced by Silver says hello. Google's having tremendous issues. I use them extensively at work. The Google Suite, the phone will always work. Okay, hello, Bozo. Glockman, Sal, you're the man, and I need more gold. Yes, gold is good to have, I think, especially with silver is this low. I think gold in general, I think it's kind of a lesson we can kind of learn with gold, is that it can really, really help save you in times when you need to have some versatility there to really preserve your wealth. I think silver is a preserver of wealth as well, but gold especially does a great job at doing that. If you need to sell, to diversify there between the two metals, indeed. So there we go. But I do agree with you there. I'm gonna have a video. A Google issue is northeast only. Okay, so it looks like I'm in that area. So it's Thank you, Yankee Stacking. All right, very good. Stephen Heath is here. Good to see you guys. Josh is here. Got his first half ounce of gold. That's wonderful. Should I hop into an ounce of gold then? Yes, Greg, I think if you can afford it, it may not be a bad idea to diversify. If you can take advantage of the low silver prices, it's probably not a bad time to accumulate a bit of silver as well. But I would encourage people to diversify into gold. And there's some people that have been hurt buying silver lately, and it's a great way to diversify for sure. But yeah, if you can afford it. Plus, there's something about holding that ounce of gold in your hand. The density of gold is quite something else. It's really kind of cool. I kind of like it. It gives you a feeling of substance, and not that there's not that with silver too, but it's just really cool. Yankee Cannon Yankee Stacking can attest to that. He's got the Yankee Cannon there, which is really a nice hefty chunk of gold there. A lot of value in a small amount of space for sure. All right, let's see here. I'm trying to check desktop here to see what we got in here. Chris Garner says, should I get an ounce of platinum? If you don't have any platinum, I'd strongly encourage it, for sure. Terry Rapidu is here. Hello, Terry. Having a little trouble with desktop YouTube. I may try to do a separate stream here if we can get in. I've been trying to get in here for quite a while. Have not had much luck. Okay, well, here we go. I see on desktop that I'm here, but let me see here. We might keep this going for a little bit longer. I may wait a bit and then see if I can get back in onto desktop in a moment. Let's see. Yes, Yankee's been giving it a good push. Yeah, what happens on the phone, your comments come through, but then they kind of fade after a while, so I might miss some of them here. But it is interesting to see where things go with gold and silver here in this market watch coming out of the starting gate. You know, we have a couple of things that are going on with trade concerns, with economic concerns, and so all the precious metals are up except for palladium at this point. Rhodium is flat right now. The Asian markets are open. Gold is up $1.30, silver's up a cent, and platinum is up $1. Still under $800 an ounce though. Sal bans Terry Rapidu. He will have me to answer to. Yeah, we won't ban. We love Terry Rapidu. She's cool. Yes, I can see part of the chat, Silver Wolverine. I'm inside of the phone right now, so I can only see the things that pop up a bit. So I'm sure I'm missing some of your chat comments. I can't do a comment review because there's been an issue with YouTube apparently affecting the Northeast, according to Yankee Stacking. We've got Slacker Stacker here saying hello to Seduced. Very good. And to Steven. Inside the phone. Yes, indeed. Hello, Aussie Alchemist. Good to see you. YouTube on the fritz. So he's noticed it too. The YouTube's been on the fritz for sure. Only live stream is seen working. Okay, so Annie says there's only one live stream working, and it's this one here. And I'm on my phone. It's buffering a lot today. So it's working. I'm just able to get to it from the phone, but I had to reconnect a couple of times. So it sounds like it's not just me. Couch Potatoes Kennedy. Looks like it'll be a wild week for the markets. Yeah, it'll be interesting to see how it plays out this week for sure. We've got 40 viewers here so far. By the way, no dice here in Australia. So what do we do now, says Terry Rapidu? Well, we just wait it out and see what happens with YouTube and all and the like. And the internet was messed up. Yeah, I hear you. I kind of thought the same thing too. All right, let's see here. Very good. Hit that like button. Very good. Yes, thanks. Spam or scam? LND says, yeah. All right, he's in the Northeast. Juan Ortiz is in the Northeast too. I guess I would be considered the same. We always blame Nova, says Aussie Alchemist. Google, we continue to experience high levels of network congestion in the eastern USA. Yes, it had tried to log me out and log me back in a few times. So it's like it's crazy. Yeah, something must be going on here. But what I may do is so far I'm checking desktop as I'm streaming on my phone, and apparently I can now sort of get in here. But I've noticed my views have kind of cut back a bit too on my latest video I posted today, which I think you guys might be interested in if you're not haven't checked it out yet. The hardest working precious metals, kind of an interesting video, kind of a different take, kind of give you an idea of what's out there in the world of precious metals. As you know, this channel is called Salivate Metal for a reason. It's really, we talk about precious metals mostly, and in this case, it's certainly is true. But it leaves me open to talk about any kind of metals for sure. All right, feeling of gold. That smell, a solid feeling every time I take a whiz of gold, says Mr. Sting. It's supposed to be Sal's fault. Too many subs. Let's see, I missed that there. And he's breaking the internet. Yes, seduced. I'm breaking the internet. Although, I tell you, you're a beautiful person, and I imagine if you probably, if you showed your face or something, or on YouTube, you'd probably break the internet too, just because everybody'd be, wow, hey, it's the nice lady from over there in Canada. Seduced by Silver, we love her. She's great. And hey, Barbara Carbone's here. Hello, Barbara. We're streaming from the phone right now because we're having some issues with YouTube here. And right now, as I'm speaking, I'm done a couple of tests and I can get back in. So I may try to resume this stream, potentially, and see if I can try it from desktop. I've had trouble trying to get in here, but we may try to do this and do our comment review. Let me see here. I'm looking here. Let's see here. Very good. Let's see if I can get back in here. We've got a couple of spam comments here. Let's see what these spam comments are. All right. Best videos. Delusion of conspiracy. Somebody in a foreign language. All right. All these appear to be pretty much legit comments. Maybe we'll do that. Okay, guys, let me see. I'm going to attempt a new stream here. Let me see if I can do that. I'm going to do this while you guys are here with me. Okay, Mr. Eminem911 says that it has been having a lot of huge problems today with YouTube, so I'm not the only one. Very good, all right. But apparently it looks like they're trying to get their stuff in order, and so I'm now able to stay logged into my account, which is a good thing. But apparently this is something that's affecting more than just me, so that's good. Let me see if I can, well, let's see. It doesn't let me, let me try to, okay, new live event. Let's see if I can do this. All right, I'm going to get things set up for the next live. We're going to try this on the desktop here. This is a whatchamacallit. It's a Geiger bar. Yeah, it's a Geiger bar. There you go. Sorry. Let's see here. Night. Getting the next live stream in order here. Part 2. Let's see if this will work. I'm going to probably keep this one open in the meantime. So I'll probably be streaming simultaneously on my phone and on the old desktop here. We'll see if this can get this thing to work. Let me get everything in. We'll try it. We'll see what this happens here. Okay. I'll make this public. So it's everything Google. Cloud, G Suite. All right, so everything is affected in Google, according to Yankee Stacking. Silver Wolverine, excellent reason to stay away from cryptos. Okay, I didn't see what he said, but Silver Wolverine's here. Hello to Silver Wolverine. Great channel, great guy. Subscribe to him if you get a chance. All right, let's see here. Let's see. All right, so you guys may see me pop up on here twice, which would be interesting to see how that'll work. Because I'm not going to let this one go until I know that I'm live on the other one. Because if I can't get the desktop to work live, then I'll just continue with this one. We'll see what happens. I'll see what happens here. It's taking a while. It's slow. All right. Sal is stalling, Spectacular says. All right, let's see here. Okay, let's see here. Now, let's see. Get this thing rolling here. Please wait. Isn't that the order of the day to waiting? We'll try it here. Okay. Let's see here. Let me see if I can get everything in order. What I'm going to do is get everything in set up so that I can just be ready to roll in the next stream. And this may be one of those things where you guys might see me on 2 different streams here. It'd be pretty interesting if that works out. So what if that happens on Coinbase? All that Bitcoin is gone. Yeah, that's right. If Coinbase screws up, or some of these exchanges, then it can really be a bad deal for cryptocurrencies. And, that's the one thing. Silver and gold, they're there. And in the physical, they're not relying on power. They're not relying on anything but their very being. And that's kind of the cool thing about precious metals, for sure. I certainly concur with that, and my friend, indeed. Definitely. All right. Sal, restart the internet. Okay, I'll see if I can contact Al Gore to make that happen. Let's see here. So we move through here. I'm going to try to get down here. So far, it looks like I'm able to start streaming. I haven't streamed yet. I'll let you guys know when I go live. And we'll see what happens. We'll be doing it in 2 different places here. For sure. Let's see here. All right. Let me get down to the very last city where the girls are green and the grass is pretty. Okay. Yeah, I'm hoping that everything works out and they don't have any more issues. I'm hoping they fix the issues and this thing doesn't crap out on us. We'll try it here. All right, we are getting ready to go live. I'm almost there, folks. I just have to... I'm going to get rocking and rolling on this thing so I'm not wasting anybody's time. Although some people like Alan Gold probably thinks that my whole channel is a waste of everybody's time. I'm sure there's several others out there who feel the same way, but that's not goes without saying. Let's see here. Moving on here. Come on. Okay, now we're back in business. All right, here we go. We're starting broadcasting on the other one. We're going to have 2 going for a while, guys. We're going to have 2 going for a while. Here we go. Greetings, members, one and all of the Salivation Nation. We are live on 2 different occasions. And the reason for that is because, well, we had a little bit of a hiccup. YouTube has been having some issues today. So you're watching me potentially on 2 different streams here, maybe 2 different windows open, and I'm going to keep them both open for now. One on my phone and one right here. But I appreciate you guys being here, on here. That's right, here, everybody. And so that's kind of what it's about. We're not sure what's going on with YouTube, but I'm hoping that they've fixed things out now. So we'll see here what we've got, okay? Everybody, I think, has moved over to the other stream because I only have 7 or 12 viewers on the one and on the other, but I'm going to keep this one open for a while. If anything, just to kind of freak out the nation here, we're going to freak out the nation. Bill457, he thinks that the server went down. Bezos says, hello, how you doing? This is a real stream. I'm hoping there's 2 real streams. No fake streams here. Silver Wolverine hears me here. And this is the secret stream. Hello, David Carlisle. Good to see you. All right, very good to see you guys. Okay, so let's get down through here. We've got a little comment review we've got going on here. So let's see here. All right, we're going to do a little comment review as we go through this thing here. Let's see. Let me make sure I've got my boilerplate stuff here. Got to get the boilerplate stuff going here. On the silver, delusion of conspiracy. J.P. Morgan says J.P. Morgan's been fined $65 million for manipulating the U.S. dollar benchmark, fined $360 million for manipulating the key interest rates. A lot of fines there. But as silver investors can relax, as Andrew Height is confident J.P. Morgan has been too busy manipulating other markets that they haven't interfered with the silver market. All right, yeah, I kind of detect a little sarcasm there too, but, we'll see. I know people have strong views on it, on the manipulation. But anyways, Canada boy buys silver. I can't eat silver, so also buy food. Good thing. Good thinking there. You gotta stay hungry. You gotta stay full. You gotta buy food. We can need substance in our lives for sure. Very good. We know this manipulated, says No Name. You know that every few decades, the price of silver goes high. We know that silver demand will go up with green technology. We know that silver and gold is much more demanded by Asia. We know silver will go big at some point. Well, I will say that in the end, we only should count that silver will preserve our wealth. And there will be times where it will go above the value of wealth. In other words, there will be times when silver's value will be up higher than the rate of inflation, and then there will be times like now when it's below the rate of inflation. In the end, it all works itself out and it's all evens out, but you got to wait for the time, you got to hold on to it. And in the meantime, silver is much more stable in that environment, I believe. All right. West Coast Stacker, thanks for sharing. I see no downside in low prices, manipulated or not. We can buy all the physical we want at these prices. So only ones complaining are those who speculated and hope to profit from a rise. Yeah, that's right. That's just it. Silver is not there to make you money. And that's the thing that people in this community, even something that I have probably took me a while to really grasp that concept. Silver is not going to make you money. The best case scenario is it's going to preserve your wealth. That's all we can really hope for. You can't make money with silver in some ways if you time purchases out, things that are real high, or if you hold on to it and wait till it goes up above that time or it's an inflation. But that's a speculative game. And it causes a lot of stress. And really, holding precious metals is about preserving wealth. It's not about stressing out. You know what I mean? You have to have faith that the metals will do what they're supposed to do. All right, very good. Eric is here, our resident bouncer. Good to see you. We're keeping both streams open now. We've got 2 streams going, one on the phone and one on the desktop, because we had some issues with YouTube. Apparently, it's system-wide throughout the Northeast here. John Brentlinger, trading multiples of the entire world silver supply on a daily, weekly basis is a big red flag that COMEX is a fraud. The article is biased, okay? Well, show some evidence that, and I believe there is some, I believe there are more electronic representations of silver than there are physical. However, I do also believe that until it's really tested, no one really knows how much of it is there. What is that multiple of the entire world silver supply? You know what I mean? That's the thing that's going to be interesting to try to figure out. No one's ever been to show me anyways, but anyways. Dave Man, they no longer use platinum and catalytic converters, they use palladium. Well, but the thing is they can switch back to them. That's the thing, and that's why the price is so low now. Platinum is at a low enough price that that it is probably economically viable to start to use platinum in converters. This is on my Why I Love Platinum video. Very good. All right. Hello, Red-Headed Step Stacker. Good to see ya. So far, everything is working great. Boy, that dude was patient with you. All right. Yes, indeed, he was, but he was a scammer. And it kind of surprises me. But yeah. Veritas File says, unless silver has gone to zero, it's still preserving wealth. Dollars even preserve wealth, at least for a time, wouldn't be used. Silver doesn't have a history of consistent downward trend in value, so it's definitely still preserving wealth. It may not be preserving wealth at 90 to 100%, but I think it to be expected in an unsound money environment where much of the economic data is obscured and or manipulating in order to preserve a system of a way of doing things. I don't expect silver to be doing the job of wealth preservation in full until things really start to break, which could be tomorrow or 20 years from now. I've reached a level in my stack where I'm now comfortable making 3 to 4 purchases a year rather than buying silver every month or every 2 weeks. I also do the same thing with gold, though in much smaller amounts. If people understand the metals, the concept of sound money, they'll keep their metals and add to their stacks. If they don't, they won't. It really is that simple. Yep. Well, and the thing is, it's a tough pill to swallow for people who have purchased, like Centurion Silver posted a video about it. If somebody has bought silver at a certain amount, $20 an ounce, and they're only getting 14 for it now, that's not preserving their wealth. And that's where it becomes personal. And even if you look at a long-standing chart, as I mentioned in this video, it's not preserving wealth according to the rate of inflation. So that's the thing to keep out. Hello, Youper girl. Stopping by for a quick hello. Good to see you. All right. So far, things seem to be working okay on here, so I'm probably going to end the phone stream here in just a moment. We'll give it a little bit longer, though. We got 29 viewers there. I'm not sure how many we have here. We got 28 here, so we're split up our viewers. 28 here and 28 there. It's exactly. Maybe everybody's watching me on both places. Maybe there's an echo. I don't know. Maybe it's fun. Maybe it's not. Who knows? But good to see Amy and David Carlisle. And Slacker Stacker, definitely. All right, Jackie Grice says, Australian here, although the designs are much different than a few of the bullion coins from the Perth men originated from their old collections like Proof and whatnot. I'm just itching for a platypus coin series, which is one of the world's most unique and shy animals. Totally recommend YouTubing platypus. Well, they had one from 2011 to 2016, I think. That was the Platypus Platinum series. Yes, indeed. All right. Then you go with the wrong mindset for, it's not for savings for today. That's right. It's for savings for tomorrow. That's why it's a long-term hold. That's right. Silver is for long-term gain. Eventually, it will preserve its wealth. All right. Let's see here. The Farkas says, interesting article. Thanks for the share. Thank you, sir. The Farkas on the delusion of conspiracy. Keep hustling, says Silver Awesome 13. Yes, indeed. That's all we can do. You got to hang tough during the low prices, that's for sure. All right, have a good night, Amy. Appreciate you for being here. Mason Trigg says, mainstream media exists on nothing but deception. I got nothing from this except what I already knew. Huge bias, like you said at the end. I'm holding until 2040. Who is with me? There you go. It's a long-term game. That's right. Attila the Hun, good show too. Thank you, Arian Gorman. Appreciate that. All right. All right, let's see here. Go, go, go with Sally gently down the streams. Merrily, merrily, merrily. Life with Sal just gleams. All right. As long as I don't cross the streams, right, Yankee? We don't want to cross the streams. Make sure you don't have those windows together. We don't want to cross the streams. All right. All right. Very good. Wow. Okay. Bozo quit his job on Friday on the phone stream here. He is going to be taking the summer off without selling a single ounce. Very good. Nice job. If you can do that, that's great. Seed Rodriguez says in the comment section, this fellow claims to be an expert, so I'll skip some of the more evident distortions of the narrative, except to say that the article claims to be without silver specifically, avoid specifics, and about how silver is traded in the last number of years. Okay. Big, long comment here. So, but my guess is, you know, with the silver trading, electronic trading, yes. I see the stuff there, but let's see if there's a summary. Silver was inexpensive and abundant money for the people, stored value for 250 years in the world before it was smashed here in 1873. Money no longer. All right. But thanks for your comment here. D-Wings World says, great article. And I have to say that I agree in the terms of manipulation. The only type of manipulation I could see happening are when governments and banks buy immense quantities. However, this really got manipulation as its normal money process, market process. Do I think the paper markets could withstand a mass withdrawal? So as you said, I think that where the weakness is. As I told Centurion Silver is on a 30-year cycles, and 2010 being the last peak. The next one will be about 2040 in my view, unless bad monetary choices we have made catch up with us prior. Thanks for sharing, brother. That's right. Well, it's about holding out, and it'll work itself out in the long run, I do believe. All right. Very good. Okay. All right, this is on the fungus finding gold video. We got Silver Honda being first. He saw the article a few days ago. Should have sent it to you, but I'm glad you found it. Very good. Thank you. Okay, let's see here. Let's get up there. Very good. And so interesting, says Silver Bear. I haven't seen Silver Bear in a while. Good to see a Silver Bear. Very nice. Okay. Colonic Stacker, thanks, my friend, for the support. And we are going to probably end. So everybody know that can come up. Yes, Alan Gold was here earlier on the phone side. And I'm a lot disappointed that he didn't leave a super chat on the way out. But he's never done that, so it doesn't surprise me. All right, so I'm going to end the stream here. I'm on the phone, and I'm not sure exactly. I haven't really streamed from the phone for a while, so there's an X there, so I'm hoping that'll work. So I'm going to end this stream so we all can be together in one place. I don't want to divide my audience, right? That wouldn't be good. So I'm going to say a multitude of gratitude to everybody tuning on the phone chat, on the phone live stream, and I encourage you all to come over to the desktop live stream. It's called Part 2. And so I hope you guys can cross over. We will see. And I appreciate you guys. So here we go. We're going to end this one and move on to the next one. For those of you still on the desktop, I'm not going anywhere. I'm still there. I'm still here. I'm not saying goodbye yet. Here we go. Divide and conquer. Here we go. All right. Keep your feet on the stars and keep reaching for the soda cans.